Ninja Pro provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.
Thanks, boys. Now let's get blending in style. You know, smoothies are a great way to get all the nutrients and fibers from your fruits and vegetables into your daily diet. It's a delicious way to enjoy your breakfast, and best of all, it's quick and easy. The Bella Rocket Blender comes with 12 separate pieces, including a 240-watt motor, 1 8-ounce and 2 13.5-ounce BPA-free tumblers, a blending blade and a grinding blade, 2 storage lids, 2 lip rings, and 2 shaker tops. With its powerful 240-watt motor, blending blade for making delicious smoothies, and a grinding blade for making your own spices or coffee, the Rocket Blender is the bee's knees of multifunctional blenders and at an unbeatable price to boot. In a nutshell, simply toss your ingredients into the cup, twist on your blade of choice, sink to the base, and blend like a champ. When it's done, twist off from the base and enjoy. And all pieces are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup, or simply take your smoothie to go in its 13.5-ounce tumbler and comfortable sip lid. Bella's Rocket Blender makes blending a cinch. Give it a try for yourself and blend the best out of a bland situation.